Hello, friends, students. Welcome back once again. So, in today's project is AI based. Okay. So, name of the project is AI-Powered Smart Irrigation System using ESP32 with HTML dashboard. Okay. It's a web dashboard only. We call it as a HTML dashboard. But this is a bit different. Why? Why? Because we have used AI here. Okay, AI prediction. We have used it. AI little part of it. I will explain you in this. So in this project, we will learn AI and IoT can work together to create a small irrigation system. So the main part is AI driven prediction. Also be done with the MicroPython and also with Pico W board. So here we have used ESP32, but we can do it with MicroPython with a different board also. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and quickly and we'll see this project showcase how practical intelligence, AI, and IoT, Internet of Things, can work together to create a small irrigation system that conserves water. That is very important, conserves water, while ensuring optimal plant growth. Using an ESP32, it's a microcontroller. The best microcontroller for IoT projects is ESP32 sensor and actuator. The system monitor environmental parameters and automatically manage the irrigation based on AI-driven production and real-time data displayed on the web dashboard or HTML page. Then the system collects data such as soil moisture, temperature, and humidity, which are analyzed by an AI model that is running local or via a cloud API. We can use any of this. The AI predict whether the watering is required based on soil condition, weather, trends, and past irrigation data. Like we can use the past irrigation data also and the trends also. The ESP32 then activates or deactivates a relay control water pump accordingly. So we have used a relay at the place of an actuator, which is the actuator. All real-time sensor reading, irrigation status, and AI decisions are displayed on the responsive web dashboard, that is HTML dashboard, accessible from any device connected to the same Wi-Fi network or cloud. Okay, so this is the abstract of the project. Now, what are the components and pin connection? Very simple. We have used ESP32, that is microcontroller. DST11 we have used. You can use DST22 also. Relay module 1 to run the motor. Then you have a water flow. You can optional. You can use water flow sensor because you can add a water flow sensor which will stop or which will control the flow of water and HTML dashboard. Okay. At the place of water flow sensor, I have used another sensor, that is your soil moisture sensor. So temperature sensor and soil moisture sensor. Well, the connection, since we have used only two sensors, the connection, one soil moisture is connected to GPIO34, that is analog pin, only one analog pin on ESP32, and one digital pin, that is a DST11, we have connected to 4, GPIO4. Relay pin is connected to GPIO26 and common is ground. All these sensor and relay are working on 5 volt. For this purpose, I have used the supply voltage which is coming or which is given to the ESP. But please remember, in real world or this thing, you should have a separate power supply or power regulator to run it. Okay, right. So rights and benefits. AI-based irrigation protection save up 40 to 60% of the water. That is our main motto. Full IoT enable monitoring via web dashboard, reduce human intervention and improves crop yield, right? It's helpful for the farmers. Adaptable for greenhouse, gardens, and large farm. Anywhere you can use it. Support data-driven optimization through analysis. Now we'll go directly to our lab and we'll check the codes also so that you will understand properly. So friends, these are the codes, very simple codes. That is AI-powered smart irrigation system using ESP32. So first part is we have used 3 libraries, Wi-Fi.h, then web server and DHT library. Okay, so pins are given in the next this thing, pin number 4, then soil moisture 34 and relay is 26. Only 3 connections. Okay, now you have to give the password and this ID of your SSID and password, right? So next is flow temperature and all this we have already seen. I'm going to share this all this codes with you so that any changes you can do it. You can make the changes and all. So debugging info, read more soil moisture, this thing. This is important for us. That is AI logic, right? So here what we have done is if it is more than 60%, temperature is more than 30, then it will take the irrigation needed. So here we can change the values accordingly, and you can use the help, you can take the help of other website also. You can directly put from that website or from there also. So this is the this part, that is your AI logic part. So this is important in this. Why? Because the project name is as such. Then you have a HTML page. This has been designed by this thing. It's not a very big deal. You can change it, you can do it, or you can make it more beautiful, whatever you like it, and relay on off, and when it will get, and the manual switches, everything will be there. It's very, very simple. On the bottom side, you can see here when you switch it on. Now it is, you can see on the bottom side the soil and all that this thing is shown over here. It will be continuously going, and you can the values gets changed up, and according to moisture and all that level, it will be changing. Coding part. Now we'll go to our lab, as well as we'll see how the dashboard looks like. Okay. So we are in our lab now. You can see, I'll just show you. I have connected it. So you can see 2 sensors over here, right? These are the 2 sensors. One is soil moisture sensor and one is DTL, your temperature and humidity sensor. Okay, simple project. So this is ESP32. Only 4 connections are there. That is 2. That is pin number 34 and 1 relay. You can see relay over here. This is my relay. This thing, what is all working. So here only 2 connection. Pin number 4 is connected to this. Pin number 34 is connected to your soil moisture sensor. I've kept this into this thing so that you can make it out whether the soil is moisturized or not. You can just see the light over here, and it will tell you whether it is moisturized or not. Or rather, what we will do is we'll pour some water in it. Okay, so if it is required, it will just tell you or give you the idea. Like now the light has come over here, you can see, make it out. So this is, it doesn't require water. And if suppose I put it, the values will change. If I put it to this, then again the values will change. How likewise we have to check. Okay, so only for this thing, the relay output is pin number 26. This is pin number 4 from this here. That is digital, and this is analog. That blue connection, which is going to pin number 34. Okay, very simple connection. Program I'm going to tell you, and apart from this, I will show you how it looks on the dashboard. So very simple project, very easy. The only thing is specialty is it has AI, little AI based. So AI also you can do many projects. So we have done a lot of projects based on this, but this is a bit different. I hope you will like it. All the details will be shared with you.